sign is on. We do need everybody to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has parked his aircraft at the gate and has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign. We ask you please use caution when opening those overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. You may now use your cell phones. We invite you to visit Spirit.com for all your future travel needs, including checking, choosing the lowest fare, and total price options. Once again, thanks for choosing Spirit. It's been our pleasure having you on board today. We hope to welcome you back in real soon on another Spirit flight. If Newark is home, welcome home. For any passengers needing special assistance, such as a wheelchair, if you would, just remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplane, because we'll